Let's talk about entrapment. Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 9 years now. I want to help you make law easy by talking a little bit about entrapment and whether or not it applies to your case. So the requirements for an entrapment defense are relatively straightforward. They're found in 8-25 of the Oklahoma Uniform Jury Instructions.
Where a person has no previous intent or purpose to violate the law, but is induced or persuaded by law enforcement officers to commit a crime, he or she is entitled to the defense of entrapment because the law, as a matter of policy, forbids conviction in such a case. On the other hand, where a person already has the readiness and willingness to break the law, the mere fact that a police officer provides what appears to be a favorable opportunity is no defense.
As I'm sure you can imagine, this becomes very, very fact specific, and there's a fine, almost imperceptible line between police participation and an undercover officer doing what they're supposed to do and entrapment. And I say there's a very fine line because I get cases more often than you would think where my clients will try to tell me they didn't do it, they didn't want to do it, they were pressured into it, or they were talked into it. 9 times out of 10, 99 times out of 100 really, it doesn't reach the level of coercion or influence for there to be entrapment. But there's sometimes when it can look real weird. If you're in these situations, you gotta understand, just because law enforcement's involved and just because law enforcement's lying to you, that's not gonna be enough. They have to actually coach you through it, force you to do it, or otherwise tell you when and how and what to do in order for you to commit the crime. If you're in a situation where you feel like you got caught between rock and a hard place because you were misled by law enforcement, give me a call. We'll talk about it. We'll discuss whether or not you have a legitimate defense, and then we'll figure it out from there. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.